students, in this video we are going to see how we can write any term, be it third term, fourth term, fifth term, 100th term, or any term if we are given a general term for a sequence. So let us take an example for it. As here we can see an is equal to n by n plus 1 is a general term given to us. Now using this general term we will write any term whichever we are asked to find. So let us see how to find fifth term. This is called nth term. So suppose we are asked to find a5 or find fifth term. Suppose this is the question, find fifth term. So how we will do this? Simply replace n by 5. So this will be a5 is equal to 5 upon 5 plus 1, which is equal to 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is the fifth term for whatever sequence this general term is given to us. Or if you're asked to write it in decimal, you can divide it 0.8 and something, but definitely that sequence is in fraction, so leave it as it is, 5 by 6. Now suppose you are asked to find its 8th term. How 8th term will be written? A8 will be equal to 8 upon 8 plus 1. We are doing nothing but simply replacing this n by whichever term we are asked to find. So 8th term means n replaced by 8. So this is 8 upon 9. So this is how we can find any term by using the given general term. So this was the 8th term which we have calculated. Now let us see some more examples. Let us take this as a general term. An is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1, 5 to the power n plus 1. So if you are asked to find the, let us suppose, 6th term, you are asked find the 6th term. This is called nth term. If an is written, this is called nth term, and if you are asked to find 6th term, it is nothing but a6. So here in the place of n we have to substitute 6. So 6th term will be minus 1 to the power 6 minus 1, 5 to the power 6 plus 1. Now let us see what we get. 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 to the power 7. Minus 1 power is odd. When minus 1 is raised to the odd power, negative sign remains. So minus 5 to the power 7 is the 6th term. Similarly, if we are asked to find second term for the same sequence, second term, that means a2 we have to find. So a2 will be minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1, 5 to the power 2 plus 1. Simply replacing n wherever we have n by the term we have to find. So this will be minus 1 to the power 1, 5 to the power 3. And again power of minus is 1, which is odd, negative sign will remain, and 5 cube is 125. So this is how we calculate any term when the general term is given to us. Thank you.